Well, the good thing about this is that this came from, this is what's left of about a gallon of water. And this shows you what I have been drinking in the 5 years I've been at this location. So, lime itself is not harmful, but it's got to affect the taste. So now, in addition to the effects of the acidity of the vinegar, I'm going to give it a little bit of a scrub. All around, up the sides, everywhere. The remaining marks at the bottom are from the heating elements. That bothers me a little bit from the standpoint after so little use, it's pretty pronounced. But on the other hand, I've got a hot pot I've been using for years, and it does the same thing. So I'm going to hope that it's not a bad omen. But at any rate, now I've put through altogether about 4 or 5 gallons through this, and I'm very pleased with it. So far, so good. So far, so good. So I'm going to pour that out. Ordinarily, I'd let it soak a while, but I don't want the settlement to go back to the bottom. So I'm going to pour that out and rinse it, and I'm done with the cleanup. I'm going to be putting some more water through it.